Hey everyone, we are on day 20 of 2 weeks of techniques to Encore. Today, the dreaded puddle pour. I don't normally do these. I just don't care for them, but I want to show you how I do them. So I'm going to do peacock colors. So I'm using Folk Art Peridot Metallic, Soho Hooker's Green, Deco Art Worn Penny, Craftsmart Gold, Lucas Turquoise, Liquitex Prism Violet, and Fine Touch Deep Violet. And that is the order I'm going to pour the puddles. So I probably will run something through them in some parts just to break them up so they're not just all puddles. So we're going to just squirt some paint down, and I do have silicone in these, so we will get some cells. And it's okay if they go over the corners because we got to cover those anyways. This worn penny is just a little dark, but I'm going to go ahead and put a gold on top of it so it doesn't really get lost. I didn't want to lose the green when we stretch either, but we may. I might go through and squirt some more of that peridot in between these. Almost missed one. I'm just going to fill it up a little bit so we have some wiggle room. Okay, move those back because we're about to get messy. I want to take a skewer. I wonder if I want to put a little black dot in each one of those. Missed that one, didn't I? You're probably all yelling, you missed one. I heard ya. Yeah, let's do one tiny black dot. That way I'll pull it. I did not put one there. We're going to lose that corner anyways. Okay. I missed it again. Shh. All right. I'm not going to run my finger through. Or do I want to? All right. I don't ever do this. Okay. I'm not doing anymore. All right, let's start pouring this off. So for all of you that do puddle pours, kudos to you. I don't have good luck with these. I get lots of zigzagging going on. But I thought if we did peacock colors, I might like it better. And we will get quite a bit of cell action going on here. If I'm hoarse, it's because I'm filming at night. I'm tired. And the allergies, the pollen. Oh, the pollen. Let's torch. I'm kind of glad I ran my finger through because I think it would just be too plain without something in there. But that, my friends, is my version of a puddle pour. Melly D definitely has the market on the puddle pours. Of course, her paints are much thinner than mine, and she does not use silicone. But she gets some great reactions on hers. She's quite the artist. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Oh, look at those skins. Yay. Join us, or I'm sorry, check out Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Paint mixing videos are down below, the links. If you're interested in purchasing paintings, check out our Etsy shop. That link is below as well. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse. And also check out my art page, Christina Welch Art, for all of our announcements. Join us every Monday night at 9 p.m. right here on this channel for live pouring, questions and answers. And sometimes we throw in a giveaway. Our 75,000 subscribers is coming up. So we have the plans in the making for that, for giveaways. And check out the Stone Coat Art Code. Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Code. Woo! That's below as well. You'll get $10 off a $95 order. And also check out Mike's channel, Stone Coat Countertops. That link's below as well. Thanks so much for watching. And we have more to come. Take care now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.